Ugh! It's no use. Everyone has such cool adaptations. All I've got are these horns and hooves. I guess I'll just go back to the tundra and give up this silly dream of finding the perfect place for me. It probably doesn't even exist anyway.
Did I just hear somebody say give up? Don't give up. Cheer up, Orey. I've got just the kick you're looking for.
Huh? Who are you? And how do you know my name?
The name's Montey. I'm a mountain lion, and I know an Oreomnus americanus when I see one. But what are you doing down here in the flatlands?
What are you talking about? Isn't every land pretty much flat?
Every biome flat? You kidding me? Haven't you ever been up the mountain?
No, I haven't. What's it like?
Well then, let me tell you a story. Come to think of it, I wrote this song after the last time I met one of your breed. High up in the Cascade Range, I strolled along a ridge when I happened upon a lonely goat who was drinking from a stream. I asked her what her name was, and proudly she answered me. My name is Oreomnus, I am a special breed. I roam the Rocky Mountains and prefer it here indeed. My hooves are built for climbing, they're cloven and they're tough. My coat is warm and white as snow to keep me safe on this bluff. I envied her endurance in this world so bare and cold, and asked if she would join me to a place on solid ground. She answered, thanks, but no, sir, I'm happy where I am. This deep and rocky mountain is where I'll make my stand. And so I bid her farewell, though my legs were feeling spent, and left alone this Orey, right where she stood intent.
Wow, that goat sounds just like me, from her coat down to her hooves. I've gotta find that mountain range. It sounds like such a wonderful place to live. Could you tell me how to get there?
Well, you see that snowy peak way off in the distance? All you gotta do is head right for it and keep on going up and up until the trees disappear and the air becomes nice and crisp. You'll find what you're looking for. After all, that's why they call you Orey.